welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today I'm going to make a Purple Hooter. It's okay, Mookie, don't be alarmed, it's just ice. Alright, I got my trusty bartender's guide. So to make a Purple Hooter, it says 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And then it calls for 1 ounce of raspberry liqueur. I have some Chamboard. It's a fantastic raspberry liqueur. Smells wonderful. And that was 1 ounce. And then 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. I have Masters of Mixes sweet and sour mixer. So pretty easy measurements. It's just 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of raspberry liqueur, 1 ounce of pineapple, 1 ounce of sweet and sour. All right, we're gonna give that a good shake. And it's served in a martini glass. And I have a little garnish with a pineapple. And that is a Purple Hooter. So coming up next, Mookie and I are going to get a little bit of takeout. We'll take it back to the bar. I'll show you what we got. And then we're going to head out to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Isn't that right, Mookie? All right, stay tuned for that.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we have some pulled pork tacos for our appetizer. Of course, we need a beverage to go with our appetizer. So this beverage comes all the way from Hawaii. This is called a Halekulani cocktail. I'm getting this from the book Smuggler's Cove by Cate. Of course, he's the owner and operator of Smuggler's Cove Tiki Bar in San Francisco. World famous. This cocktail comes from the world famous House Without a Key on Waikiki Beach. It says the source is Beachbum Barry Sippin' Safari, adapted by Smuggler's Cove. So I'm going to use a tiki mug today. I got full of crushed ice. Lately, crushed ice has been my jam. When I was working on the cruise ships down in Barbados, they used a lot of crushed ice, and I just loved it. And I've really gotten back into crushed ice. So this is full of crushed ice. And I'm going to begin on my Halekulani cocktail. First up, 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of orange juice, 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice, and 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. It's just a simple syrup made from Demerara sugar. And it says a teaspoon of Grenadine. 1 1/2 ounce of bourbon. I got some Jack. Me and Jack go way back. and a dash of Angostura Bitters. And that, my friends, is a Halekulani cocktail all the way from Hawaii to go with my pulled pork tacos.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.